Welcome to Titan Machinery of Dickinson. In today's video, we'll be demonstrating a 2007 Case 445 with 500 hours. Let's take a closer look at the features on this skid steer. Starting up front, this 445 is equipped with a 72-inch low-profile bucket, a 2,500 pound lifting capacity, and front auxiliary hydraulics. This skid steer is driven by a 74 horsepower engine and features a 2-speed hydrostatic transmission. The cab is fully enclosed, heated and air-conditioned, and equipped with work lights. Thank you for viewing this Case 445. If you're interested in the skid steer and would like to contact our sales staff, give them a call at 701-227-5309. To view other available used equipment, check out dickinson.titanmachinery.com.